Hello everyone, and in this video I am going to discuss about question number 7 of Build Up Your Understanding section in modern physics. And this question is: a hydrogen molecule in excited state traveling in the x direction with kinetic energy of 1 electron volt dissociate into two hydrogen atoms if one of them move perpendicular to the x direction with kinetic energy of 0.8 electron volt. Calculate the energy released in the dissociation reaction. Okay, first of all, understand, because this molecule has two atoms and both are hydrogen atom, move with some kinetic energy that is given 1 electron volt. During motion, it dissociate into two individual hydrogen, and one hydrogen atom is start to move in y direction with some kinetic energy that is also given. If you think about second hydrogen atom, then that second hydrogen atom must be moving in the direction of negative y-axis, positive x-axis. First of all, understand what I want to say. This is the system of two hydrogen atom which is moving with some kinetic energy, and if you convert this kinetic energy into momentum, then initial momentum of this system is equals to root under 2 km, m is equals to 2m, that is root under 4 km. This is the initial momentum of the system. During motion, this system of two hydrogen break into two parts, and one part start to move in y direction perpendicular to the initial motion of this system. Okay, with some kinetic energy, suppose that that is k1, then the momentum of this hydrogen is equals to root under 2 km. And if you think about second hydrogen, then definitely that will be moved in that way with some kinetic energy, that is suppose that this is k1 and this is k2 with some velocity. Okay, now understand, k is given in question is equals to 1 electron volt, k1 is given in question is 0.8 electron volt, and we have to calculate k2, and further we have to calculate the energy dissociate, energy released during this dissociation. Okay, now initial momentum of this system is equals to root under 4m. Definitely energy of the system is electron volt, I cap, moving in positive x direction, and that momentum is equals to final linear momentum for this hydrogen, that is 0.8 into 2, 1.6 into m in j cap, plus root under 2 k2m with some unit vector. Suppose that this unit vector is in the direction of the motion of second part. Now if you take this term in opposite side, then root under 4 km minus root under 1.6 m I cap and j cap 4m, that is equals to root under 2 k2m. Okay, now if you take magnitude of both sides, then magnitude of this term is equals to 4m plus 1.6m that is equals to root under 2 K2m. So you can say that K2 is equals to 5.6 by 2. Definitely that is equals to 2.8 electron volt. This is the kinetic energy of second part. It means the total energy of the system after dissociation is equals to 2.8 of one part of this part and 0.8 of this part, and that energy is equals to, if you add this energy, then that energy is equals to 3.6 electron volt. Okay, and initial energy of the system is equals to 1.1 electron volt as given in question. E1 is equals to 1 electron volt. Means initially system has 1 electron volt energy, but after dissociation the system has energy 3.6 electron volt. So you can easily say that 2.6 electron volt energy liberated during the dissociation. Thank you. Yes, complete.
Okay, complete.
Yes.